Hello everyone! As you can see, we've got a Star Wars Balck Series figure in front of us, and this is of course Figrin D'an. I did not think we would ever get this figure. I mean, if you don't know who he is, he's from the Cantina band from A New Hope. But what we're going to do here is take a closer look at this figure. We'll go ahead and look at the outside the box. We'll go ahead and unbox him. We'll go ahead and take a look at him with his 3 instruments. If you're a Hasbro Pulse member, they do have another figure that will be coming out. That way you can build out the full Cantina band. You're going to want a couple of these guys as well. That way you can fully build it out. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outside the box here. As you can see, we've got the mural print here with the Cantina band there in the background. He is number 4 in Star Wars A New Hope line, and on the back it says, Figrin D'an was the rocking frontman for the all-Bith band, the Modal Nodes. His deft playing of the Kloo Horn for the band earned him the nickname Fiery Figrin. All right. And we're back up front. So let's go ahead and unbox him. Like I said, this is a great figure for army building. I got this guy from Amazon. I pre-ordered him. It said it was going to be coming in December. I was very happy to see that he got delivered much sooner than that, so I was happy. But let's go ahead and take a closer look at him. Don't need that. Been very happy with what they've done. Hasbro has done recently with the Balck Series line. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay, take a closer look at him in just a minute, especially with all the New Hope figures. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get this out. Definitely need to be careful. These guys are small. Kind of remind me of how difficult it can be to get some of the lightsabers out, but we'll take a look at that. Definitely peel some of the tape away or cut the tape just to make sure that you don't bend any piece that should not be bent. All right, I'm gonna get everything cleaned up. I'll be right back. All right, so first glance, this guy's freaking awesome. Figrin D'an is freaking awesome. All right, anyways, let's take a look at the accessories first. We have his main instrument, as you can see here. It does come apart. I didn't see that there was really anything to do with it other than just taking it apart. So you can kind of twist it to be in the right position here so that you can get him to play it. You can see the notes, they're the things that he'd be pressing down on right there. I mean, it's decent. I mean, it looks like it could be an instrument. We've got the smallest one right here. Again, mouthpiece. This is what it comes out of. And then we've got the other one here as well. There's actually a little bit of detail on this guy. It kind of looks like a bassoon here. Yeah, so that's that. So like I said before, definitely looking like an army builder. You know, go ahead and purchase a couple of these guys. That way you can build out the full Cantina band. But let's go ahead and take a look at the figure himself. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take some pictures. I mean, up front, I mean, I'm very happy with the way that he looks. The neck does twist at the bottom, so that way you can kind of get some good motion out of him. Actually, I'm really impressed with that. It can be kind of a pain, it looks like, but head all the way up, head all the way down. You can do some twisting. You're going to need some good articulation to be able to hold on to those instruments, so I think they did a good job with that so far. Better than 90. Look at those hands. Look at those hands. Really interesting. Yeah, and there. Torso, good movement. Really good movement there. Be able to do the splits. And decent knee. I mean, it's not great, but you're not buying him to be able to do that. So overall, so far, I'm liking him. Let's go ahead and take some pictures. If you have any questions while I'm going through it, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. Let's take some pictures. All right, so what do you think of Figrin D'an here? Overall, I was really impressed with him. He looks like a brand new figure from head to toe. I like the fact that he came with lots of different instruments, so I was happy with that. So the accessories, you got them. Definitely going to purchase at least one more of these guys, along with the one that is coming from Hasbro Pulse. That way we can build out the full band. As far as the accessories are concerned, the one that he's got right now, that is the best one. It fits him well. You're able to get him in some good positions, and he's able to hold it really well as well. This one, second best. It's okay. But man, this one was so frustrating to get him to hold it. His hands, they've got a wide grip, and this is so narrow that it just doesn't really fit very well. I understand why they included it. It's probably to scale. I think he needs different hands if he's going to be holding on to it. But overall, you're able to get him in lots of different positions. The arms bend very well. Legs, not so much, but that's not really what you need. The arms bend, torso bends, and then the head and neck bend as well. So you're able to get him in basically any pose that you want. So again, I'm going to be building the full Cantina band here. If you have any questions about the figure, like I said before, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like Star Wars and Star Wars: The Balck Series. But we also do other things as well, like home automation, going to theme parks, electronics, gaming, basically anything a professional geek might find interesting. And they're things that I find interesting, well, hopefully you will find interesting as well. And with that, have a great day.